had a quiet moment on the trail. Really wish I could have gotten more footage, but it's hard to hold these hiking poles and record at the same time. So I'll try to cut this up and put this into a whole video if I can. Just want to share the beauty of this place with you. This is a special place. All these treks are special, but try to take trips that go off the beaten path. Don't just go to the touristy areas. Challenge yourself. You'll be surprised at what you find. This place is so beautiful. Places like this, you find God in them.